In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Weebly blog, which you can do in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or someone simply sharing personal stories, enhancing your blog post with images can greatly enrich your content. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the official Weebly website. It's important to have a stable internet connection so that everything loads smoothly. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you to enter your login details. If you have them readily available, type them in and access your account. Upon logging in, you will land on your Weebly dashboard. Here, you want to focus your attention on the left side where you'll find a tab labeled Website. Clicking on this will give you access to your site management options. Now, you should see an option to Edit Site. Select this to open Weebly's editor interface, which is where the real magic happens. Inside the Weebly editor, you will notice a prominent plus icon. Give that a click. This will present you with various options for adding new sections to your page. We're interested in adding a section that combines text with an image, so navigate to the sidebar and click on Text and Image. This option allows you to craft visually engaging content seamlessly. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to choose a layout that suits your design preferences and aligns with your blog's aesthetic. Weebly offers a range of layout options, so take a moment to pick one that complements the rest of your site. Once you've made your choice, the process of inserting the image becomes straightforward. You'll see an option to add an image under the content area of your selected layout. This involves either dragging your chosen image directly onto the desired section or uploading a file from your computer. Make sure the image you select is relevant to your content and meets your design needs. If the layout you've selected includes text and title areas that you don't need, you can easily remove them by sliding them off. This feature allows you to keep your page neat and focused on the elements that matter most. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, locate and click Done to save your changes. You're almost there. It's essential not to overlook the next step, previewing your work. By clicking on Preview, you can see exactly how the image appears on your page before making it live. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. And just like that, you've successfully added an image to your Weebly blog. Remember, images can significantly enhance your storytelling, making your posts more engaging and visually appealing. Well done.